Welcome to Gurukulam, powered by KOA, Kerala Online Academy, KOD, Kerala Online Doctors, and Santa Monica. I will talk about 5 reasons why India will become the center of the world economy. Reason 1. First of all, India is an educational giant. India has made a lot of progress in information technology. Now, India is an IT powerhouse. Indian IT professionals are work all over the world. Indians are also dominating the Silicon Valley, which is technology capital of the world. Some of the notable Indians in the IT space are Sundar Pichai, CEO of Alphabet, the parent company of Google. Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft. Shantanu Narayan, CEO of Adobe, and Pranav Mistry, CEO of Samsung Star Lab. Reason 2. China and India are fast growing major economies in the world. India has an advantage over China as India is a democratic country. World start to recognize the danger of non-democratic countries. Due to COVID-19, there is a Cold War kind of situation merged between USA and China. Nowadays, not only US but also major countries including Australia, Japan, Europe, Canada, etc. are also start doubting in China's intention. Some of them even have announced incentives for companies to shift their manufacturing out of China. India can attract the companies which are looking for manufacturing base outside of China. If India does its planning to develop infrastructure well in this post-COVID era, then India can claim the Chinese World Factory tag. That will be a great for Indian manufacturing and economy. Reason 3. China is maintaining a closed economy and they ban services like internet from other countries. The United States and the whole world are keeping China in check. Major countries starting banning Chinese services like TikTok, saying the same security concerns that China used to ban others. The main beneficiary is India. The United States used to invest dollars in China, but now dollars will be invested in India. Reason 4. India is the world's second largest English speaking country. India can do business with rest of the world much easier than any other countries due to the plus point of India's English speaking and educated youths. India's population is young with an average age of about 30 years, which also means working population of India is much higher. Reason 5. A person or the public becomes intellectually imprisoned and suppressed through 2 sources. One is religion and another is political system. India has democratic system and there is freedom of religion in India. Therefore, India will be the advanced nation. Conclusion. Finally, in conclusion, India's great poet Rabindranath Tagore prophesied that Korea is the lamb of East. Korean YouTuber Kaiwa analyzed and prophesied that within 10 years, India will become advanced country and India will become the flower of the world's spiritual culture. പറ്റുമെങ്കിൽ അടുത്ത ആഴ്ച അല്ലെങ്കിൽ ഉടൻ തന്നെ മറ്റൊരു വീഡിയോയുമായി ഞാൻ നിങ്ങളുടെ മുന്നിലെത്തുന്നതായിരിക്കും. ഐ എം മിൻഷ, സൈനിങ് ഓഫ് ഫ്രം ഗുരുകുലം. ഞങ്ങളുടെ നോട്ടിഫിക്കേഷൻ ലഭിക്കുന്നതിനായിട്ട് തൊട്ട് താഴെയുള്ള ബെൽ ബട്ടൺ ക്ലിക്ക് ചെയ്യുക, സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക, ഷെയർ ചെയ്ത് ഞങ്ങളെ പ്രോത്സാഹിപ്പിക്കുക. ബൈ.